Good evening students, we start today's class. In today's class we are going to learn about the question words. There are different types of question words. These question words can be called as WH family words as well. इन क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स को हम जो क्वेश्चंस में यूज़ करते हैं, सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ करते हैं, इनको हम यूज़ किस लिए करते हैं? देखिए हमारे अंदर एक जिज्ञासा होती है. जिज्ञासा को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं क्रियोसिटी. ये क्रियोसिटी जब हमारे अंदर होती है किसी चीज़ के बारे में जानने के लिए, यानी कि टू नो अबाउट समथिंग. इट कुड बी एनी नेम, इट कुड बी प्लेस नेम, इट कुड बी एनी रीज़न, और इट कुड बी अबाउट एनी पर्सन. जब हम इन डिफरेंट चीज़ों के बारे में जानते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं, to know about different things more, तब हम इन क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं, जिसमें कि हमारे ये WH फैमिली वर्ड्स आते हैं. जिसमें सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन वर्ड हमारा आता है WH फैमिली में व्हाट. नेक्स्ट है व्हाट टाइम, उसके बाद व्हेन, और उसके बाद वेयर, व्हाई एंड हाउ. दीज आर द क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स विच वी नॉर्मली यूज इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. First of all, you need to understand how to pronunciate these question words. Mostly people don't pronunciate these question words properly. As I would just tell you about the pronunciation first. W actually has a different kind of a sound. It pronunciates like by making our lips round, as we do while we are whistling. At the time of whistling, as we do, as we mold, as we make round of our lips, the same way we have to do while pronunciating these question words, especially W words, like what, where, why, when. These are the question words that we have to pronunciate this way. The proper pronunciation should be there of these question words. Without proper pronunciation of these question words, we are not be able to speak the sentence properly or English properly. So as we are going to talk about our today's first question word, which is why. Why? By making our lips round, we have to pronunciate it why. Some people pronunciate this Y like bhai. This is not the correct pronunciation. Bhai is not the correct pronunciation, or Y is the correct, no, is not the correct pronunciation. Why is the correct pronunciation. So this question word we are going to learn today. First of all, what we have to learn, as you can see on the screen, if you can see, that the identity, first identity, how you would identify this question word, and how would you know that this question word would be used in the question or in the sentence. So the identity will be of this question word is to know the reason. To know the reason. Reason means कारण, वजह. किसी भी एक्शन को जो हम करते हैं या जो कोई भी करता है, उसका कुछ ना कुछ रीज़न होता है, और अगर हमें उस रीज़न को जानना है, इफ़ वी वांट टू नो द रीज़न ऑफ दैट एक्शन, व्हाई द पीपल और व्हाई द पर्सन इज डूइंग, देन वी यूज दिस क्वेश्चन वर्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. ओके, व्हाई विल वी यूज टू नो द रीज़न ओनली. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ व्हाई. We have to understand the structure also, how we will use this question word in the sentence, and what is the place, exact place of this question word in the sentence. That also we have to understand. And the third point or fourth point is feel. We have to feel the sentence before speaking, not translate the sentence. Understand? Translation I am not teaching you, I am teaching you how to feel the language. If you can feel the language, you can speak the language properly, otherwise you cannot be able to speak it. By translating, no one can speak. So feel, what you have to feel? You have to feel you are asking the reason. Okay? If this feeling is coming in your mind, then only why will be used. After that, the last point is speaking practice. Speaking practice is must. Without speaking practice, you can never be able to speak in English. So that's why this is must. Practice is must. Do more and more practice. As much as you can do the practice. The more practice you will do, the more you will improve in English. So practice on. Okay? Speak and speak. Okay, move on to the next slide. This is the structure. Structure of the sentence. Structure in the of the sentence is, if we ask the question with the help of this question word why, what we need to do? We have to put why first at first point. Okay? At first place. Then time word will come after question word, and then doer. Doer could be singular or plural. If singular doer is there in the sentence, then singular time word will come, or plural doer is there in the sentence, then plural time word will come. Depends on the time doer. And then action will come. Okay, action will be changed according to the time word. I'm talking about the first, second, third form or ing form. Okay, whatever the form will come, it will come according to the time word. Then answer will not be in yes or no. Okay, it will be with the reason. Answer will be with the reason. There will be no use of yes or no. Then if we give the answer, doer will come first, then time word, then action, and then reason will come, okay, of doing that action. So this is the structure of the sentence. This is how we will make the sentences. Now let's see the practice set, what you have to do the practice of, and how will you do the practice. This is the practice set. First sentence is, are you reading a book? This is in continuous. Are you reading a book? Yes, I am reading a book. No, I am not reading a book. Actually, here I have made some changes in the practice set. Again, I have made it in different type of sets. So this is the first question. Now let's talk about the practice set. Practice set is here that we have to do the practice, according to which we have to do the practice. The first sentence is, are you reading a book? Then the answer is, yes, I am reading a book. And then the questioner will repeat the sentence, oh, I see, you are reading a book. Then the questioner will ask the question with the help of why are you reading a book? Why are you reading a book? The answer will be given, I am reading a book to improve my knowledge. It could be the reason, to improve my knowledge. By adding to, just tell the reason, to improve my knowledge. Then the questioner will repeat the sentence, oh, I see, you are reading a book to improve your knowledge. So this is the practice set. So this is how you will do the practice, students. You have to do the practice by adding or by using different actions with this set. You can do the practice more and more. Just speak only. How will you add another action in this set? Suppose that I am asking you, are you learning English? Then answer will be, yes, I am learning English. Oh, I see, you are learning English. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my communication. Oh, I see, you are learning English to improve your communication. This is how we do the practice. Okay, so there are so many actions. I will give you different actions. Those actions you can use in this set and do the practice only. Students, this is the class for you all of about using question word why we use this question word and how to use this question word. If there is any problem, you can ask me, but you have to do more and more practice. So that's it. Nice to meet you.